Welcome to Gewinns HR. Today I am going to show you how to allocate leaves to an employee in Gewinns HR platform. Firstly, click on the company logo at the top left corner. Now search Leave Allocation List. A list of employees will open. You can filter specific employee by entering their registered name in the employee name box. The list will show which type and number of leaves has been allocated to the employee. To allocate new leave, click on the Add Leave Allocation button at the top right corner. Now select leave type you want to allocate. Now select the employee, then select the validity of the leaves you are allocating, and employee's department and relevant information will be automatically filled up. In the allocation part, enter the number of leaves you want to allocate, and you can also check the box in order to carry forward the previously unused allocated leaves. After filling up all the details, click on the Save button at the top right corner. Your document will be saved as draft. You can review all the information you have filled up, and you can also edit it if required. After reviewing all the details, click on the Submit button at the top right corner. Now new leave has been allocated. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.